The internet is a place we go to play games with our friends. We learn a lot of different things and keep up with the trends. We sign into different places, we tap and click, but sometimes on the internet we forget to stop and think. The internet can be a dangerous place if we don't know all the rules, but watching Cybersafe can help me pick up all the tools. Salam alaikum and welcome to an episode of Cybersafe, the show that teaches you how to use the internet safely. In today's episode we will discuss social media safety. If you are approaching your teens, you may already be aware of a few social media platforms, and some of your friends may already use them. You may probably also know that social media platforms do have an age restriction, so if you are below the age criteria, you could actually get in trouble. It's good to get an overall picture of social media and why it can be good and why it can be bad. The good thing about social media is that you can stay connected with friends and family. You can see a birthday cake your aunt put up, or a day out your friend posted. There are also charity accounts which you can volunteer with, and creative and artistic accounts which can give you lots of ideas and help you become more creative. Social media is a place where you can find people with similar interests to you, and it's a way you can communicate with other students. That all sounds great so far, so you're probably wondering, now why is it so bad? One of the biggest reasons that social media can be bad is that it's usually a hub for cyberbullying. A lot of people share more information than they should on social media, how they feel, where they've been, who their family is, what their interests are. They may post images of their home and school and friends, and they might even reveal their real name on their profile. One of the most important rules we learn about internet safety is not giving out personal information. But when it comes to social media, I don't think that children realize how much personal information they are voluntarily giving out. Social media can be a scary and unsafe place for kids because you can get contacted by strangers very easily, and you might keep getting advertisements that are not suitable for you. Another dangerous thing about social media is that people can be aware of your location because you can post an image which gets linked to where you took the image. When you post an image on social media, even though you think you might have deleted the image, it never really goes away. Spending too much time on social media can cause you to have a low mood. When you look at how many friends others have, and the pictures of them having fun can make you feel bad about yourself because you start to think, why don't I have that many friends? Why don't I go to places like that? Why don't I have clothes like that? All of these things take you away from being thankful to God for what you do have. So now that you know everything about social media, if you do choose to use it in the future, you know the risks. If you do decide you want to use it, then at least follow these rules. Be nice. Mean behavior is not okay. You should treat others with respect and never post anything that can hurt or embarrass another person. Think twice before hitting enter. Whatever you post can be used against you. So don't post things like your personal information or your location. Use privacy settings and make sure that your accounts are private and that you don't share your password with your friends because passwords are there to protect you. Finally, make sure you don't friend or follow strangers. If you don't know them, don't friend them. It's plain simple and safe. We've nearly come to the end today, but not before we visit our internet safety rhyme. I keep my information safe, I don't let people know my name, address or number or which call I go. I never talk to strangers if they're not a real life friend. No matter who they say they are, it could be just pretend. If I take a photo of a friend, I'm always well aware to ask if it's okay with them before I click and share. I'm always kind to others in the playground and on screen. I never write or tell them things that are hurtful, bad or mean. I always ask an adult before I go online. If we look at things together, I know I will be fine. If I ever see something that makes me scared or sad, I tell an adult I can trust and it won't be so bad.